Hi friends, welcome to my beauty channel. If you new here, my name is Deboshree. So I am created this look, nude makeup look. This look you will create any office party, yeah, day party or college, office, everywhere. After wash my face, I am using for toning rose water and moisturize with 5 rupees. Pond's beauty cream. Now I am using as a primer Wet and Wild. This is affordable and drugstore primer. You can use it, and after I use it, I am dab with wet beauty blender. Now I am using color corrector to my dark circles under eye and over the eyelid. This is inside color corrector and very affordable price. You can purchase it. uh, all the products I have purchased or used it like under 200 rupees. I am used as a concealer, Miss Clear concealer, and I using as a dabbing motion. Now using Wet and Wild photo focus foundation. So this is very lightweight foundation. You can use every day or day party or day look. I am applied with makeup brush, and after applying I am using a wet beauty blender and dab motion I am blending it. Now I am using setting spray from Miss Claire, and after using it I am concealing with Lakme loose powder, which is only 150 or 100 rupees. Now I am using Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil to line my eyebrow. This is only 100 rupees. I am setting with it a spoolie brush. Now I am creating my another eyebrow in offline camera. Now I am using a Wet and Wild eyeshadow palette, which is only 200 or 250 rupees. In today's look I am not using a lot of products, only minimum products which makes a nude makeup look, and you can follow step by step this look and recreate to go everywhere. Now I'm using Lakme Kajal, or using only my upper waterline and lower waterline. Under eyes, say I am using same palette to make a depth in my eyes. Now I'm using highlighter from Wet and Wild, using for highlighted my eyebrows. Now I'm using Wet and Wild bronzer to give a depth in my face. Now I'm using a small brush to contour my nose area. You may remember after every product use it will be very good well blended. Now I am using a blusher from Wet and Wild. This is all are affordable price from Drugstore, and using same highlighter palette at my apple of the cheek, top of the nose. Now I'm using Wet and Wild nude pink peachy type lipstick. Using a eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. It will be make more dramatic to your eyes. Now I'm using Blue Heaven mascara. This is come with the price of 150 rupees. I'm using setting spray from Miss Claire. This is very affordable and dew setting spray. Now this is my complete look. I think you will like my video and like, share, comment in my video and subscribe a lot. Goodbye. Thank you.